Hey guys, welcome back to my channel all about PC.
Alright, let's boost these audio settings. First thing first, open run and type mmsys.cpl. Now, select your sound device like speakers or Realtek and click on properties. In the sound properties, go to the advanced tab. Here you will see the default format is set to 24-bit, 48,000 Hz. To enhance the audio, you can change this format to 16-bit. And that's it. Simple adjustments for a better sound experience.
Thanks for watching today's video on all about PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and software tricks. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.